5. Now with the left thumb into the right armpit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हम अपने अंगूठे से बगल के अंदर दबा रहे हैं 4 या 5 बार. Now let's shake out our hands. Relax the wrist. And relax. Breathe in, lift both the arms up. सांस अंदर लेते हुए दोनों हाथ ऊपर. Breathing out, gently twist to the right. Place your left palm on the right knee and the right palm behind you. And look over your right shoulder. बायां हाथ दाहिने घुटने पर, दाहिना हाथ शरीर के पीछे और आप पीछे की दीवार की ओर देख रहे हैं. Breathe in, come back to the center and breathing out the other direction, opposite side. विपरीत दिशा में दाहिना हाथ बाएं घुटने पे, बायां हाथ शरीर के पीछे, बाईं ओर से पीछे की दीवार की ओर देखें. Breathe in once again. Now interlock your fingers and place them behind your head. दोनों हाथों की उंगलियों को जोड़कर सिर के पीछे रख दें. And now gently press your palms forward and resist with your head. हथेलियों से आप आगे की ओर धकेल रहे हैं और सिर को पीछे की ओर. एक द्वंद्व है आपके हाथ और आपके सिर के बीच में. It's a struggle between your palms and your head. And relax. Wonderful. Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you on day 6 of the 14-day Breath and Meditation Challenge. आज छठवें दिन आप सबका स्वागत है. I hope all of you are marking your attendance in the comment section. If you have attended 5 days or 4 days or today is your 6th continuous day, you can write that in the comments. Even if you're joining us for the first time today, you can write that in the comments. Yeah? No worries. Whenever you start, it's a new beginning, isn't it? अगर आज आप पहली बार भी जुड़े हैं तो भी 1 लिख दीजिए कमेंट्स में. अगर आज आपका चौथा, 5वां या 6ठा दिन है तो अपना अटेंडेंस ज़रूर मार्क कीजिएगा. इससे हमारा खुद का उत्साह बना रहता है, राइट? So today we are going to talk about a very important system of our body called the lymphatic system. Now this is the drainage network that our body has. So it helps in toxin elimination. It helps in fluid balance. It also helps with better immunity because the immune cells travel through this network. Yeah. Now, just the way in your house you have a drainage system, and if the drains get clogged, there is waste build up and you want to clear it as soon as possible. The same way for our health, good lymphatic drainage is very, very necessary. Yeah. So how can we improve lymphatic drainage? 2 ways. One is exercise. When we do any kind of physical exercise, it helps with better circulation of lymph. And second is pranayama or deep breathing exercises. See, when we are doing pranayama, we are using the abdominal muscles, the diaphragm, it gets activated, and with that, we are able to clear out fluids from the lymph nodes, the main lymph nodes that are present in the abdominal area. Yeah? And when lymph flow is good, we feel our immunity improves, our metabolism improves, there is less sluggishness. Yeah? So this is a very, very important thing to do. देखिए आज हम बात करेंगे लिम्फैटिक सिस्टम की. वो क्या है? हमारे शरीर का जल निकास तंत्र. जैसे आपके घर में नालियाँ हैं, सब जो भी कचरा है उसको ले जाने के लिए या दूषित पानी को ले जाने के लिए, ठीक उसी तरह शरीर का भी एक जल निकास तंत्र है, वो है लिम्फैटिक सिस्टम. तो इसका क्या काम है? ये शरीर से मल दोष निवारण करता है, जो हमारे इम्यून सेल्स हैं उनको सही जगह पे पहुंचाने में मदद करता है, और शरीर में जो भी द्रव्य हैं उनके बैलेंस को भी बनाए रखता है, उसमें समता रखता है. तो जैसे हमारे शरीर घर की नालियों का साफ़ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ठीक वैसे ही हमारे शरीर में भी ये जो नालियाँ हैं, जो लिम्फैटिक सिस्टम है, इनका साफ़ होना, इनमें द्रव्यों का सही से संचार होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और ये हम 2 तरीके से सुधार सकते हैं. पहला है व्यायाम. अच्छे से जब हम कसरत करते हैं तो शरीर में लिम्फ का सर्कुलेशन बेहतर होता है. और दूसरा है प्राणायाम. जब हम प्राणायाम करते हैं तो शरीर के अंदर जो पेट की मांसपेशियां हैं, जो हमारा डायफ्राम है, ये संचारित होते हैं और इससे इस क्षेत्र में जितने भी लिम्फ नोड्स हैं उससे सभी द्रव्यों का सही से निकास हो पाता है। इसलिए कुछ ना कुछ रोज़ व्यायाम करना बहुत आवश्यक है, उसी के साथ प्राणायाम तो अति आवश्यक है। अच्छा, सी just as lymphatic system is very important, so is our digestion, right? In fact, they are also linked. So that is why tomorrow we are going to have a special session for you. Yeah, at the same time, 7 a.m., 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. we are going to have a special session. It will be a slightly longer session. Instead of 30 minutes, it will be 45 minutes. And it is going to focus on improving digestion. We are going to share with you some very useful tips, techniques to improve digestion. At the same time, we will be doing a special pranayam just for digestion. Special meditation just for digestion. तो कल का सेशन देखिए, जैसे लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम ज़रूरी है, ठीक वैसे ही हमारा जो पाचन तंत्र है वो भी बहुत आवश्यक है। इसलिए कल पाचन क्रिया को सुधारने के लिए हम एक स्पेशल सेशन करेंगे। 45 मिनट का सेशन होगा, उन्हीं समय पे 7 बजे, 11 बजे और 7 बजे। यहाँ आपके साथ कुछ नुस्खे जिससे कि आपकी पाचन क्रिया और मजबूत हो सके, ये हम बांटेंगे। और साथ ही में एक स्पेशल ध्यान भी करेंगे जो कि आपके डाइजेशन के लिए हो, जो आपके पाचन क्रिया के लिए हो। डन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस विद भस्त्रिका। भस्त्रिका के साथ आज के प्राणायाम की शुरुआत करते हैं। टेक पोजिशन। इफ़ यू हैव एनी ऑफ द हेल्थ कंडीशंस दैट आर लिस्टेड ऑन द स्क्रीन राइट नाउ, यू कैन अवॉइड भस्त्रिका। स्क्रीन पर आ रही जो भी बीमारियों का नाम है उनमें से कोई किसी से भी आप पीड़ित हैं तो आप भस्त्रिका ना करें। फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ अस, लेट्स टेक पोजिशन। आइज आर क्लोज्ड। Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Together, with force and enthusiasm, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. In, out, 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 and relax. विश्राम करें। Keep a light awareness on your body and the mind. Let's take position for the second round of Bhastrika. भस्त्रिका की दूसरे राउंड के लिए तैयार। हल्की मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने, कोहनियाँ शरीर से नज़दीक रहें और कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें। Let your shoulders be loose, do not keep them lifted up. A normal breath in and exhale with a smile. गहरी सांस अंदर लें और बाहर छोड़ दें। Together with force and enthusiasm, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. In, out, 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 in, out. And relax. विश्राम करें। Take position for the third and final round of Bhastrika. तीसरे और आखिरी राउंड के लिए पोजीशन ले लें. एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. Another deep breath in and exhale completely. Together with force and enthusiasm, breathe in, out, 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 in, out and relax. विश्राम करें. आंखें बंद ही रखें. We will now do candle blowing pranayam for 5 breaths. 5 सांसों के लिए कैंडल ब्लोइंग करेंगे. नाक से सांस अंदर लें और मुंह से ऐसे छोड़ें जैसे आप कुछ मोमबत्तियां बुझा रहे हों. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out from the mouth as if you are blowing out candles. Continue 3 more times. And relax. You may gently open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. So today we are going to learn another breathing technique. This is called Bhramari. Bhramar means a bee and Bhramari is the sound that the bee makes, right? So how do we do this pranayam? आज हम एक और नया प्राणायाम सीखेंगे जिसका नाम है भ्रामरी. भ्रमर का अर्थ है एक मधुमक्खी. जैसे मधुमक्खी स्वर करती है वैसा ही इस स्वर हम इस प्राणायाम में करेंगे. कैसे करते हैं देखते हैं. Keep your index finger out and you can close the rest of the fingers in a fist. And we will place our index finger at the cartilage right next to the ear, right? आपकी जो तर्जनी उंगली है कान के पास यहाँ एक ढकनी सी है ना? उस ढकनी के ऊपर हम इस उंगली को रखेंगे. सांस अंदर लेंगे नाक से ही सांस को बाहर छोड़ते हुए एक का स्वर करेंगे. और जब ये स्वर कर रहे हैं तब इस तर्जनी उंगली से इस ढकनी को बंद करेंगे, छोड़ेंगे, बंद करेंगे, छोड़ेंगे. So you'll breathe in through the nose, we'll breathe out through the nose itself, making the humming sound. And while we are making this sound, with the index finger, we are going to open and shut this lid. Yeah? Let me show you once and then we'll do it together. Let's do this together. एक साथ करते हैं. तर्जनी उंगली को ढकनी पे रख लीजिए. Place your index finger on the cartilage. Close your eyes. Take a normal breath in. You may do 5 times on your own. You will not be able to hear me once you start. So do it 5 times. 5 बार अपने आप करें. After your 5 rounds, you may relax. 5 बार करने के बाद विश्राम करें. We will now do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in front of the face, thumb on the right nostril, index and middle finger touching in between the eyebrows, and ring finger on the left nostril. बाएं हाथ से चिन मुद्रा, दाहिने हाथ के अंगूठे को दाहिनी नासिका पे, तर्जनी और मध्यमा दोनों भवों के बीच और बाईं नासिका के ऊपर अपनी अनामिका उंगली. दोनों नाकों से सांस अंदर लें, बाएं से छोड़ें, बाएं से अंदर, दाहिने से बाहर, दाहिने से अंदर और बाएं से बाहर. जारी रखें. Continue breathing in from the left nostril, out from right, in from right, out from left. Continue. After this round, you may relax. इस राउंड के बाद विश्राम करें. Sit with your spine erect, shoulders relaxed. Sit in a comfortable pose for meditation. अब हम गुरुदेव के साथ ध्यान करेंगे. आरामदायक स्थिति में बैठ जाएं.
Shall we do some meditation? Let's sit comfortably, easily. Eyes closed. Become aware of a silver string passing through the center of your body. The central nadi, madhya nadi पर ध्यान दीजिए. एक हल्का सा ध्यान, just a gentle attention on a central string or a nerve from the base of the spine to the top of the head. And feel that the breath is moving along this string, up and down. सभी मिलकर ओंकार का ध्वनि करते हैं।
मेरे होठ जो खुले तो नाम आवे।
ओम शांति शांति शांति। धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं। Slowly and gradually become aware of body and surroundings. And you may gently, with a big smile, open your eyes.
Slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आप अपनी आँखें खोल सकते हैं. How is it for you today? How is the meditation for you? कैसा रहा आज का अनुभव? आज थोड़ा और लंबा ध्यान था और गहरा ध्यान था. कैसा रहा आपका अनुभव? ज़रूर हमारे साथ बांटें. और एक और बार आपको याद दिलाना चाहेंगे कि कल एक स्पेशल सेशन है आप सबके लिए. उन्हीं तीनों समय पे सुबह 7 बजे, फिर 11 बजे, फिर शाम को 7 बजे, जिसके अंदर हम पाचन शक्ति को बेहतर करने के कुछ नुस्खे और साथ में गुरुदेव के साथ एक स्पेशल ध्यान करेंगे. So tomorrow, let me remind you, we have a special session on improving digestion. We will not only share with you some practical tips and tricks to improve your digestive ability, but also do a special meditation with Gurudev. You will also receive, or you would have already received, a sort of a form in your WhatsApp groups, which is an assessment form. It has some simple questions. When you answer them, you get some idea about how is your digestive system currently. आपके एक असेसमेंट फॉर्म आया होगा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में. उसके अंदर सरल से प्रश्न हैं, उनका उत्तर देने पे आपको खुद एक आइडिया लगेगा कि किस स्तर पर है आपकी पाचन शक्ति इस समय. तो कल का सेशन आपके लिए और भी उपयोगी हो जाएगा, तो वो ज़रूर भरिएगा. I could see a few comments where you found that the sound had a lot of background, somebody coughing or something. I have a small suggestion for you, because these this environment can change. Sometimes there may be some sounds. You can remove the earphones and listen to it just on the device. Then it will not bother you so much. When we listen on the headphones, it gets amplified. I have also requested my team to look into it and see that these noises are reduced. Okay, great. So let's take some questions. I get irritated when I get to know some of my in-laws and their behavior with me, and this is not going away from my mind. See, any painful or traumatic experience in the past, even now when you think of it, it triggers those feelings, right? This is very normal. How to get rid of that, how to remove the intensity of that emotion, only with practice of meditation. Yeah, and Sudarshan Kriya helps in a big way. See, आप अपने आप को कितना भी समझा लें, कोई भूतकाल की बात है जो आपको परेशान करती है, वो चीज़ याद आने पे फिर से वही दर्द, वही तकलीफ़ ऊपर उभर के आ जाती है. तो इससे बाहर निकलने का जो तरीका है वो है ध्यान और सुदर्शन क्रिया. इससे वो जड़ से हल्का होने लगता है ना. वो जो छाप है उस घटना की हम पे, वो छूटने लगती है. यही एक तरीका है जिससे कि आप इससे आसानी से बाहर निकल सकते हैं, है ना. तो ज़रूर कीजिए, और जो आप कर रहे हैं बहुत लाभदायक है आपके लिए. Okay.
Ma'am, I could not understand Brahmari Pranayam, Geeta ji.
Sure, I'll just repeat the instruction for you. I'll also request my team to kindly zoom in a little bit. I want to show you where you are to place your fingers. You take your index finger and just next to your ear. Your ear is here, next to it over here you see a small lid. Yeah, this lid, on top of that you are going to place your index finger. So with this lid you are opening and closing like this. Yeah, I hope this is clear for you. Let me show you again. We are not putting the finger inside the ear, we are keeping it on the lid and opening and closing it. Yeah? Okay. So when we breathe in, we will breathe in through the nose. We will breathe out through the nose, making the humming sound. So with the exhalation sound, we are making the humming sound and opening and closing the earlids. I hope this is clear now. Please suggest some pranayam to solve tinnitus. So Brahmari is actually found to be quite useful in tinnitus. Yeah, it does relieve the aggravated symptoms. Do practice it every day and let me know how you're feeling.
I normally take short, fast breath rather than long and slow breath. Please advise. Pallavi.
See, long, deep breaths or short, fast breaths, it's not that you are taking them. They are happening on their own. Our breath is an involuntary function unless we are doing it knowingly like we are doing in pranayams. But throughout the day, you can't monitor your breath, right? So, with breathing practice, with regular pranayam practice, what's happening? Our natural ability to breathe, our natural breath becomes longer and deeper. So you will notice even during the day, you are breathing more fully, your breath is more relaxed. So the way to do that is by increasing lung capacity, and that's exactly what we are doing in the challenge. So you're in the right place, just continue practicing every day. Yeah. See, if you want to build a muscle, after going to the gym for 3 days, do you start to see a bicep? Doesn't happen, right? It takes weeks, months of practice, and then you start to see the results in your body. Yeah? Our lung is also a muscle. Our diaphragm is also a muscle. So to strengthen it, we need time and practice. Yeah? This is the first starting step. Yeah.
Can we come out of snoring issues with these breathing sessions?
It will help a lot. It will definitely help a lot because, it helps keep your airways open for longer. It strengthens your breathing muscles, clears your sinus. All of these has a positive impact when it comes to snoring. Can we do Brahmari anytime during the day, or should we keep the stomach empty for this? Vinitaji, all the pranayams that we do, it's good to do on a lighter stomach, right? However, Brahmari is good to do even before you go to sleep. This is something that helps relax. Nadi Shodhan pranayam is another which is good to do when we relax, when we sleep. However, Bhastrika is a very energizing pranayam. So it's good to avoid it just before bedtime, right? So it's more about whether that pranayam is energizing or relaxing, and then choosing the right time of the day to do it. Yeah. I love cooking, so I try to meditate when I'm cooking. Is it okay? See, cooking can be meditative, yeah, but meditation is different, yeah. So don't mix the two. When you're cooking, enjoy the cooking fully, and when you're doing meditation, do it completely, do it fully, yeah. Great.
Can we imagine any god while doing meditation, Vaishnavi?
Not necessary. See, when we are imagining something or we are picturing something or visioning something, there is a certain mental effort involved. And that's not meditation. Meditation means completely letting go, total relaxation, no effort. So here we only follow Gurudev's instructions, the minimal instructions that he is giving. We just follow them and relax. Yeah, no need to add something from our side for this. नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम करते समय मेरी बाईं लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रल ब्लॉक्ड है. व्हाट कैन आई डू, प्लीज़ सजेस्ट. देखिए, कोई बात नहीं. दिन में पूरे दिन अगर आप ध्यान देंगे तो पाएंगे कोई एक नासिका दूसरे से ज़्यादा चल रही होती है, तो ये स्वाभाविक है. तो आप बस जितना हो सके उस समय आप लीजिए. बहुत फोर्स करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. थोड़ी सी भी सांस लेफ्ट से आ रही है उतना भी काफ़ी है.
Hi, I'm a teenager, class 11th. I often find it hard to focus on my studies, especially when I'm reading. Also, sometimes I get really anxious for no reason. Can this challenge help me through it?
Oh yes, I can't reiterate how much this will help you. Yeah, I know that doing something regularly can be a little boring. Yeah, especially at your age, you may think, oh, it's the same thing, why should I do it again? But trust me, it is the boring stuff that really creates a big change in your life, right? Exercise is not interesting, but if you exercise every day, you are able to change your body, right? Yes or no? Same way. Yeah, this is something that will help you not only focus your mind but also relax it. Usually when we are focused, we are stressed, or rather whenever there is some stress, we find our focus improves. And when we are relaxed, there is no focus, right? But with meditation, you can develop both relaxation and focus. So it will really, really help you. You're very intelligent that at this age you have recognized its value. I just want you to continue. Yeah? How to control my emotions and balance them. Yeah, you must be thinking all the answers are breathwork and meditation, but it's true. See, when it comes to the mind, this is one of the most effective ways to deal with the mind. Yeah? No matter how many motivational speeches you hear or books you read, the effect is very short, doesn't last long. But breathwork and meditation bring such a tangible difference. So this really helps. What is the duration of meditation in a day? About 20 minutes of meditation is good enough. With that, about 10 minutes of breathwork. That will be a good combination.
Ma'am, what is the proper way to pronounce Om, Manjunath ji?
Just Om. Om is such a simple word. It's made up of 3 sounds, A, U and Ma. A and U together make O. So typically 2/3 of your outgoing breath goes for O and 1/3 for Ma. But don't complicate it, just say Om. I am so irritated when disturbed during meditation by my child. Please tell the pranayam for irritation. All of the pranayams, all of the meditation you are doing is to help you become more relaxed, more calm and more balanced, right? The nature of the child is to run around and play, right? Don't let that irritate you. It's okay if there is some sound around you. Maybe what you can do is sit in a different room. But if it's not possible, if you don't have that facility at home, it's okay. Let the child play, let the child make noise. Treat that as your practice. Yeah? That even with this sound, I am able to meditate. That should be our preparation. Yes? So instead of getting irritated by it, treat it as a practice. Also accept the sound. That will help you. Yeah.
While doing Brahmari, exhaling through nose along with the sound is difficult. What to do?
I mean, how else will you exhale? There is no other, you can't exhale from the mouth and make the humming sound. It's impossible, right? You can't say hum. You have to breathe out through the nose itself, right? मैम, जब मेडिटेट करती हूँ तो मैं कहीं खो जाती हूँ, फिर एकदम झटके से अवेयर होती हूँ बट आइज़ ओपन नहीं करती. प्लीज़ बताएं ये नींद है या ध्यान करने की शुरुआत? यही ध्यान है. ये जब आपको लगे कि मैं हूँ नहीं यहाँ पर, या एक ऐसा क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको, खालीपन लगे, ये बिल्कुल सही जा रहे हैं आप.
How to get rid of varicose veins? Can pranayama help, Sandhya?
See, varicose veins, I would suggest connect with a good yoga teacher. There are some very good asanas and stretches that can help you. But along with that, always add breathwork and meditation because it helps you strengthen your breathing muscles, which in turn affects your overall circulatory system. So that that is also needed and this is also needed. Let's take one last question. How to continue these sessions regularly after the challenge as well? We are going to share with you. Yeah, don't worry. By the end of the 14 days, first you will become very, very used to and an expert in the pranayams we are teaching, we are practicing every day. It will become so easy, so natural for you. And secondly, you will get a taste of how it feels to have meditated every day, right? Then we will give you the next step. What is the next step you can do? The next technique you can learn. बैठने का तरीका कैसा होना चाहिए for meditation? बैठने का तरीका आरामदायक होना चाहिए. अगर आपको ऐसे सीधा बैठने में दिक्कत है, आप पीछे टेक लगा के बैठ सकते हैं, है ना? बट थोड़ा हो सके तो रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधा रखें शुरुआत में. बाद में चाहे आप आगे की ओर ढलक रहे हैं या अपने आप स्वाभाविक रूप से कुछ पोस्चर चेंज हो रहा है तो कोई हर्ज नहीं है, ठीक है? बट शुरुआत हम सीधी रीढ़ की हड्डी से करते हैं. How to do Sudarshan Kriya? We will share with you. There is still time for that. If one has had a tough day at work and if thoughts of that irritation come often, what to do? If those thoughts are coming during meditation, treat them as cleansing. See, when you're sweeping your floor or when you're cleaning the brooming, some dust comes up, right? Yeah. But you still keep cleaning because you know this is all part of it. Same way. If some thoughts come pertaining to your day or something that has happened earlier, it's okay. Just let them come and go. Yeah? Don't start planning on them. That's the only thing. Yeah? Just come back to Gurudev's instruction and relax. Fighting with the thought makes it worse. Yeah? So just acknowledging it, accepting it, and you will be at peace again. Yeah? With that, let's close this session. I keep reminding you that if we have missed your question, don't worry. We are meeting you 3 times a day. We have 9 more days to go. So stay connected with us. If you have any questions, you can always ask in the next session. अगर आपका कोई भी प्रश्न हमसे छूट जाए तो बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें. हम आपसे रोज़ 3 बार मिल रहे हैं और आगे भी 8-9 दिन बाकी हैं. तो कभी भी फिर से अपना प्रश्न पूछ लीजिएगा, हम ज़रूर उत्तर देंगे. So take care everyone. We'll see you for the next session. Namaste.